Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's today with these padded zip pouches from EXPED.
Hit it.
These are lightweight yet durable padded pouches, perfect for travel, hiking and expeditions, for electronic gear or anything you want to add a little bit of protection to. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So these guys come in 3 different sizes and they come in multiple colors too, so you can see the sizes available in the 3 colors in these 3 sizes here, but they also come in just a plain black color over here, and they weigh just 85 grams for the large one here, 55 grams for the medium size, and just 43 grams for the smaller one here. Regarding dimensions, the large 23 long, 16 wide by 9 high. The medium here is 18 long, 12 wide and 7 high, and then the little guy here 16 long, 8 wide and 5 high. They're made on the exterior of a 30 denier ripstop nylon. You've got a small ripstop sort of weave through here, so if it does get damaged, it's not going to tear completely. This ripstop's designed to stop the tear going too far, but it's still a really durable fabric. And then between that and the inner fabric is probably, it's hard, I can't actually measure it, but probably 3 to 5 millimeters of EVA foam. And you can see the foam's got these sort of little holes, there's holes drilled out, so that just lightens it up even more, but still maintains good protection for the materials of whatever you've got stored inside. Now, EXPED's a Swiss company. They're really innovative. They tend to come up with crazy ideas and just produce them. This type of pouch has been around for a long time, and these are a really nicely finished off product. They use high quality materials, so the material that it's made off of is high quality. The zippers that are incorporated into these pouches are YKK zippers. They've got nice little zipper pulls with a little glow section on the bottom there, so it's nice and easy to pull that zipper open and close. And they're double-sided zippers too, so you can open it in both directions. You can see that zip goes both ways. If we have a bit of a look around the features now, the features of both the large and the medium here are pretty much the same. On the outside first, the zippers we saw along the top. Sides and bottom, not much to see there, but on the back here we do have a little grab handle, so if you have got it done up and you're carrying it, maybe toiletries, easy to carry around. Have a look inside, open this up, same material on the inside, so this is the same ripstop material, 30 denier ripstop, or polyester, sorry, not nylon, I think I said nylon before. All bound, wherever the stitching is sort of folded over, there's a binding around here, so there's no frayed bits of fabric or anything. It's finished off really nicely. And then there is one extra little storage section in the top of the lid here, just a mesh panel there, so you can put, and if you've got camera gear in there, you might be able to store maybe cables or memory cards or something in the top here. As I mentioned, the medium, largely the same features. So on the outside, you've got your carry handle, same around the other sides, and then inside, small pocket at the top here. The small one does have a slightly different features. We'll go to the inside first. So you've got the same on the inside with a small mesh pocket at the top here. Just the standard interior there, nothing extra to see. But on the outside, sides and bottom are the same. But then on the top here, you've got a grab handle, but the bottom, sorry, is a little bit different. It does have this strip here. So you could put this on a belt if you like. So you can carry this on a belt or even on a backpack strap or something like that. So you could mount that to the outside of a pack or your clothing if you like. So they are the EXPED padded zippered pouches, lightweight storage options for hiking, trekking, travel, camping, whatever you like, where you want to store your gear. You don't want to carry anything too heavy, but you need a little bit of protection from it while it's in a backpack. You can check these out online at snowys.com.au.